Hi family. Hapa ni free space, niseme kitu na msini judge. Inani affect. Ndio kurudi streets kwa mpigo. Hello. Au ni masingo mama wanani welcome. Guys, niko na tea this 30th by 6 PM. Niko na chai moto, kujeni tukunywe. Kujeni tujifunze kutega, unatega vibaya ni Nairobi auntie. Kuja tujifunze kutega. Subscribe. See you. Isha nikitembea mtaka walk off.
Guys, don't scroll like msiende funny. Leo niko na mshene ya kushare hot news zinachoma See, ile time unakuanga uko na kamshena and you feel like it's burning you from the inside and you want to share it out with people. I don't know whether you remember cartoon comedian, our content creator. Personally, mimi sikuwa napenda comedy zake. I never used to listen to whatever she I never used to watch or listen, but najua cartoon comedian. Remember when she got married, the way she was so happy and so on, sacrificing and doing everything for the husband. Doing like chenye Azia anasema okay, I'm going, like my husband amesema I should shave, so I'm going to shave. What the fuck? Baby amesema hataki kuona earring, so naenda kuziba. Watch your life now. I see your life now. Can you imagine an investment that you've done for years, something that is bringing you food to your table? Then comes someone, an intruder, achana na Mkenya, an intruder comes from, like ametoka sijui Igubo community, Igubo community, anatoka kwa kwote, all the way from Nigeria, then he comes to Kenya, alafu anakuambia okay, mimi I want to marry you, madam, I want to marry you, and because I want to marry you, whatever that you are doing here, like chochote unafanya hapa, like you just have to leave it and just come with me. Well, you know, I never knew cartoon comedian to be foolish, but I'll tell you she's stupid as hell. Like, okay, wajua, if it was normal business, like kitu kama kabiashara umefungua, ka boutique, if you have a boutique there umefungua, and some other stuffs zenye ni kitu umefungua yenye iko na premises hapa Kenya, that one yetu tuna understand na sema okay, shengo na carry all that one, hizo hiyo kitu si kitu anaweza beba huko, so na ameamua kuoleka huko, so si kitu anaweza beba. But a YouTube channel, you can stream from anywhere, you can post content from anywhere, you can do content any time that you want. If you are cooking, you can do some vlogs and so on. But then again comes a fool and tells you but then mimi naamua nikuoe, so delete your YouTube account yako. I'm financially stable and I'll be able to take care of you. So you tell me, like, when you start deleting that account, doesn't this ring into your mind like, okay, what if she leaves me, like akiniacha itakuwa aje? What if I want money for myself, because I can't be depending on him all the time? What if something happens, because some things aren't meant to be, like mistakes also do happen and people do change. What if it does change? Haina shanga maswali zingine hapo, mtu hawezi jiuliza vitu kama hizo. So a guy comes from Enugu village to convince another Nogo. Yani aitoka Enugu akuja akutana na Nogo ingine hapa, akaiconvince watu akakuwa ni Manogo. My apologies on that. And now cartoon comedian, she has come back to Kenya and she wants us to subscribe to her new channel. So I and cartoon comedian, we are urging you guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe, don't forget. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Start with KC Africa and then tutafuata cartoon comedian. So cartoon comedian surface from nowhere, just boom. Ni kama erupt from, ni kama ardhi ilifunguka tu hivi erupt hivi, and she's like, hey guys, I have some hot news at this time. Oh, I have some tea to serve ni nini, alafu nimerudi kwa soko sijui ni nini, and it's so bad. Mtu unatumwa kwa, unarudisha kwa soko na kamzigo. So like, remember she broke her leg akienda kwa huyo oga. So she got pregnant and she gave birth. So right now she's a single mom. So I don't think their relationship is going to be like those guys. You see, hapa Kenya, I'll tell you, if someone tells you like we are doing co-parenting and they are here in Kenya and they are Kenyans, that's bullshit. There's nothing like co-parenting here in Kenya. It doesn't happen. It's either you be a baby mama, ulishe mtoto huko msomeshe, ama you be a baby daddy, ukana huyo mtoto wako msomeshe and so on and everything. But anything like co-parenting, eti baba anatuma pesa huku, eti mama anatuma huku, sasa tunasaidia kulea, eti baba ako na time yao kana mtoto, mama pia ako na nonsense. Tell them KC Africa say that's all nonsense. If you're not in the Eurocentric countries, huko America, huko nini, and you're here and na uko hapa Kenya, raise up your hands and say that we are broke all the same, so we can't do all those nonsense. You are broke as KC Africa. Hey. So anything like kama niko parenting, I don't think what is going to work between cartoon comedian na the other Nogu. The other Nogu yenye iko Nigeria. So whatever tea that cartoon comedian wants to serve, yenye amesema na serve, like I know I'm a little late and niko late kidogo to talk about this. Like amesema some few days, like 2 days ago. Akona tea anataka kuserve at what time. I said to myself, that tea, I'm not going to wait for that tea. Hiyo tea ya mshene sitaki kusikia. You see, when you make a a stupid decision, and you want to come and share your stories of how stupid your decision were, you expect her to listen. Mimi sitaki tunanichafua masikio. You know, there are some stories zenye naweza sikia and then naanza kuwa na zile kama ni my ear bleed. Nasikia masikio yangu nikaa nataka kutoka damu. Because my ears don't entertain nonsense. There's some nonsense that my ears can't listen to. So I was to those wenye wameangalia hiyo nini, hiyo tenye madamu aliserve, I hope the tea was worth it, the mshene was worth it. Au meisikize imekuwa too fun, but for me I don't feel the vibe of listening to a very foolish stupid Nugu like cartoon comedian. So let me tell you, like, she's not even a comedian. Person right now, if you tell me, if you Google, like ingia pale Google, try to type cartoon comedian. Hey, Isaiah appear front page. You see that front page here, yeah, Google. Hawezi muona. So the era of cartoon comedian is over. So say focus as a mom, build as a mom, anzishe biashara kama kuna pesa tu alibakia kidogo. And the good thing alikuwa huko Enugu village, na you know the Enugu village na tutu madao tukamote. I hope alikuja na tuwili tutatu hivi tumboost. Cause kama si hivyo ni kubad atafinya kwa hii soko. Hii soko amesema amerudi, atatafunwa kama miwa, atakungutwa. Anyway guys, me and Cartoon Comedian, we asking for your subscribers, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share for both this.